Kuliah Vibro section 4 tentang unsolved saya ka part 3 basic elementary sayan jangka UB ma ganeru English ng salaya din makan simpor to 76 rainbow is produced when sunlight falls on drop of rain. Which of the following physical phenomena are responsible for this? Dispersion, refraction, internal refraction. This is all that means it is D. One is C. Answer is C. 1, 2 and 3. The source of energy is basically from the sun. B. Okay, 78 rise of mercury in barometer indicates fair weather. A. This also 79 when electric bulb breaks there is a mild bang due to the air rushing in to fill the evacuated space. C is the correct answer. 80 the safety fuse wire used in domestic electrical appliances is made of metal of low melting point. B. 81 a light candle gets extinguished when covered with a tumbler because of 81 inadequate supply of air. Do not dapat ya oxygen. Okay. 81 B. After 81 page 2 which of the following is used in pencil? Pencil is graphite is the correct answer. 83 a ship rises as enter the sea from a river because the 83 algorithm. Number D density of water is higher than that of river water. Number D the first metal used by man was number B copper. Number 85 the most abundant metal on earth is C aluminium. The filament an electric bulb is made of C tungsten. Galvanized iron sheet have a coating of 87 C zinc. Which of the following is not a wireless data transmission method? Bluetooth is a wireless, NFC is a wireless, Wi-Fi direct is a wireless, and none of the above is the correct answer. The variety of coal in which the deposit contains a recognizable trace of the original plant material is called 89 is called C peat. C is the correct answer. Then 90 the highest grade of gold whose surface is shining and has the highest calorific value is anthracite. Balloon is filled with helium, mostly with helium. During the night we should not sleep under a tree because at night the tree releases carbon dioxide. Simple. 90 which of the vitamin is provided by sunlight? Sunlight is D, vitamin D. 94 the vitamin which is very liable and easily destroyed during cooking as well as storage is vitamin C. The compound used in anti-malarial drug is chloroquine. D. 95 D. 96 which of the following disease is caused by the bite of mad dog? This one is hydrophobia. 97 the most important requirement for people of flood hit area is C inoculation against cholera. 97 C inoculation against cholera. 97 98 the upper part of the human intestine next to stomach is called duodenum. B duodenum. Flowers colors are due to 99 anthocyanin. Two richest known sources of edible proteins are soybean and groundnuts. Okay, complete this basic science, elementary science, then become general knowledge. Question number 101. Who founded Yahoo? Yahoo is founded by B, I think, David Filo and Jerry Yang. B is the correct answer. CD-ROM is this one is a secondary memory. Okay, secondary memory. Bluetooth refers to short range wireless. Bluetooth is a wireless, no? An autonomous state of Meghalaya came into existence in the year, this is B, 1970. 104 is B, 1970. The state of Meghalaya is observed on 21st January, I remember that. Meghalaya will celebrate its 50th statehood day in the year, this is simple, to this year, 2022. 12th Chief Minister of Meghalaya is simple, this Conrad Sangma. Meghalaya line demarcate the boundary. This Meghalaya line is Arunachal, is India and China. This is in India and China. Then 108, 109. Greenwich time is the standard time of the following countries. Official following is one of United Kingdom. Greenhouse effects mean trapping solar energy due to atmosphere and carbon dioxide. The term black box used more commonly in relation which of the it is a flight recorder is seen flight recorder in an aeroplane. Which of the following is called black gold? This out of this only gold is black gold because it's black and use. Which of the following Indian state receive the sunrise fast in the morning? This is in Arunachal. Easy, this one. Good government is observed on the body which Prime Minister of India? This is A.B. Vajpayee. If I'm not wrong. Yes, A.B. Vajpayee. And 115 which of the was associated with Jallianwala Bagh tragedy? This is C, I think. Brigadier General Dyer. And 116. The ozone layer protects us from this is ultraviolet rays. India is longest day fall on 117 21st June. The southern tip of India is Kanyakumari. The Cape Comorin. Which state in India occupies the same 22nd ranking position in respect of area and population? Is Meghalaya only. And one of the first hydro project in Meghalaya was on the river of this is Umiam River, Dam Umiam. Tura street water of this is one is West Karu Hill. The newest district of Meghalaya is Eastern West Khasi Hill. Okay, everyone will know that. Balpagram National Park is located in which district? Balpagram, South Karu Hill. Which is the city of Meghalaya? This one is wrong. Layo lupa armak, mo plus armak ne. State 3. I'm in the granite, I'm in diamond, I'm in the coal, I'm in the mecha. We are the state 3. Don't remember those things. Ini met marpok hendak ne. Kena labak lah. 24 labak lah. Layo armak, bro. Layo armak. Bonus mereka tu. Okay. 24. 5. Pitcher plant found in Meghalaya catches insect through what trap? This is pitfall trap. Hile to catch crop in Meghalaya. Okay, kena tu padi rong tung resi jerang orange rong punya. Tang potato hi bakam tung syaki hile itu kam sejerang umur. Banyak potato hi. Potato is the correct answer. Cherry blossom bloom in Meghalaya during which season? Kena autumn. Meghalaya police is headed by kena 128. I think it's DG, Director General Police, I think. Teachers Day fall on 5 September to celebrate the birthday of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. 130. Children's Day is observed on 5 November coinciding with the birthday of Chacha Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru. In India, House of the People is called as Lok Sabha. Meghalaya list has how many members? 60. How many autonomous districts are in Meghalaya? 3. Garu, Khasi and Jaintia. Name the paramilitary force in India. This also is wrong. This also 2 mark Nyo and this also 2 mark Nyo. 4 mark Nyo mo. Nomor hangne paramilitary force CRP ro kadai ga paramilitary force BSF ro kadai SSB ro kadai Assam Rifle ro kadai. Te baro kadai temur soma kelas Eropa. At present, BrahMos missiles are assembled at this maybe Hyderabad. S-400 from Russia refers to the missile defense system, one defense missile on one new on track. ISRO launched Chandrayaan 1 on Tuesday to proven 5% of work of standard months of that water he. Kini tadi di mana abis nak kini Neeraj Chopra's gold medal in Tokyo Summer Olympic one in Canada in javelin. Mirabai Chanu won silver medal in Tokyo Olympic in weightlifting. Ratu Jungkia. Loblina Borgorhan from Assam won bronze medal in Tokyo Super Olympic 21 in this is boxing. Ravi Kumar Dahaya won silver medal in Tokyo Summer Olympics is wrestling. 142 COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by SARS-CoV-2 virus. Malaria is caused by a parasite known as Plasmodium. Ada 43 then 44. Swine flu is caused by this also by a virus. Universal blood donors have blood group A negative. NDPS Act 1985 frequently appears in the news relating to NDP. The full form to the narcotic drugs is narcotic drugs. Meghalaya age is the youngest part of Holocene epoch, which is from this Canada is C 42 to 200 years present. 148 inheritance of property and lineage of children in Meghalaya runs through a system known as Canadian matrilineal system. Dinosaur bone found in which is Meghalaya West Khasi Hill. Conference of Party COP 26 meeting on climate change was held in Glasgow. The Tangine ada pensop hangne kadon jangka part 3 and part 4 umedba science 50 marks plus GK 100 marks. It is 150 marks. Tes akhirnya phi naga 150 marks layur pass mark. The total jang phi phi kanu naga kini mo atuli plus ka mas ada pensop phi kanu aspa mang adap dengan English ngasa le adin mo tangine kulis bon.